Hi, my name is Monique. I'm a nurse practitioner and I'm here to inform you of how to take a blood pressure with an automatic blood pressure machine. Now, a blood pressure machine can range anywhere from $45. They're usually about $45. This one cost $45. Now, first, it's preferred that you do it on a bare arm. But you can have a thin layer of clothing, something that will squeeze tight against your arm that's not very much of a layer. Then you remove all the parts from the box, the machine, and the cuff. You would apply the cuff. The tubing will be at one end and your arm will be at the opposite end from the tubing. You apply the cuff like this. You make it very tight, as tight as you can. And the tubing would run adjacent or parallel next to your brachial artery. This is your brachial artery. If you have the tubing running in the direction of your brachial artery, then you have it applied correctly. This end of the tubing will go into this end of the machine. There's nothing on the other end, very simple. You plop it in. Then you would press start. I'm doing this in the bathroom because for me that's a preferred site. You have your arm elevated enough at the level of the heart, which is where it should be. And if you were to keep your blood pressure machine in the bathroom, you might remember to take it daily if you have a problem with hypertension. The numbers will eventually toll down, and in the end, you will have a blood pressure reading, and at the bottom, you will have a pulse rate. My blood pressure is 131/86. My pulse is 83. 83 is considered normal. Anything from 60 to 100 is considered normal. 131/86 might be considered a little high, as norm would be 120/70, but it would be considered pre-hypertension. But in the end, this is how you apply a blood pressure cuff. Tubing adjacent or next to brachial artery. Runs down your arm like that. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that it has taught you something about taking blood pressures. Remember, it's an investment well worth it because it will help prevent you from having a stroke or any other health abnormalities that you might come to regret if you didn't have a blood pressure machine.